Great. Could you walk us through your day-to-day role and your responsibilities with that?
Sure. It's different every day, which is one of the great things I think about marketing. There's never a dull moment. It's every day is not the same. So it makes it really active and keeps you really busy so that you're not like just kind of thinking of things to do. But a good example would be just in one day, I could be doing something along the lines of working on content for the website. But then I could also be working with you and one of the technical team people on talking about a webinar that we would like to put together and then, promote and then include that as part of our overall strategy for webinars and alignment to campaigns. Um, could also be talking to a vendor about some kind of a software product that they offer that we might be interested in. It just it varies so much every day that I don't think I could have a clear set day-to-day path. And if I did, it would get blown out the window anyways. So, but ultimately, I'm designing a clear path from Siemens products to message to demand to our pipeline revenue so that we can ensure that every marketing activity is directly supporting that path.